Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make money with CPAGRIP. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. CPA marketing is one of the simplest methods to generate income online, particularly for newcomers. Unlike affiliate marketing, there's no requirement to selling anything. Rather, your goal is to encourage someone to complete a specific action, such as submitting their email. CPAGRIP offers a wide range of offers across different niches, allowing affiliates to choose offers that align with their audience's interests and preferences. The platform offers competitive payouts for affiliates, with some offers providing generous commissions per conversion. This can result in higher earnings for affiliates compared to other affiliate marketing models. If you're new to CPA marketing and don't yet have an account on CPAGRIP, the first step is to create one. Visit CPAGRIP.com. Then, click on Register in the top right corner and proceed to fill the necessary fields. You will need to provide your name, address, postal code, and phone number, and create a Skype account. While not mandatory, you can also specify how you found out about CPAGRIP. Once all fields are filled, click on Register Now, and your account will be approved instantly, allowing you to log in. Alternatively, if you already have an account, just log into it using your email and password. Upon logging into CPAGRIP for the first time, you will land on the dashboard. Here, you will find various sections, including the public chat, stats overview, hourly stats, and tools on the left side. In the chat section, members share their earnings, showcasing the potential of CPA marketing. For instance, some have earned $30,000 all-time, while others have made $1,500. These figures demonstrate the earning potential achievable through CPA marketing with dedication and effort. CPAGRIP provides offers targeted to various geographic regions, allowing affiliates to target specific countries or regions with offers tailored to their audience. So to start our journey, what we need to do is head over to Offer Tools and then navigate to My Offers. This section will display all the offers you're eligible to promote. I recommend your country to the United States to access US offers and promote US traffic. Now, once you've made that adjustment, you will see different offers with various stats next to each one, indicating different things. For example, there's an offer for $3.28, which is an email submit offer paying $2.05 every time someone enters their email. Let's go into the first offer. Clicking on it will open a new tab. Here, we can see it's a US offer for app installation. You can copy the landing page link from here. I'm going to open this in a new tab and check it out. I've just opened a VPN to change my location to America. You can use any VPN for this purpose. Once connected, open a new tab and paste it into the offer link. You will see the landing page, prompting users to participate in a quiz. Upon completion, if they're eligible, which they typically are for CPA offers, and submit their information, you will earn money without selling anything. I recommend promoting offers like these, particularly giveaway-styled gift card offers. Let's use this one as an example. Copy the link. It might look a bit long and spammy, so I will shorten it using tinyurl.com, a beginner-friendly method. Paste your CPA link into tinyurl. Optionally, add an alias and create a shortened link. Now, you have a shortened link that redirects to your CPA offer. Copy the shortened link. Next, we have to drive free targeted traffic to this link. People interested in giveaways, making money, or those who frequently enter giveaways. I will show you how to find them for free. While there are various methods, let's stick to the beginner theme and use Facebook. Assuming you already have a profile, go to the Facebook search engine and type in keywords like giveaway, free stuff, or make money online. Then select groups to find groups with a large number of members. Open a group and navigate to people to see recent members. If you scroll down here, you can see the amount of members in this group. And if you keep going, you've got new to the group. Now, what you can do is go ahead and open their profile. Let's open it in a new tab here, and then we can go ahead and send them a message. Click View Main Profile, and you can then add them as a friend and send them a message. Alternatively, some profiles will allow you to message them without adding them as a friend. Let's try one more person. We will go ahead and open this person here, and you can see that you can message this person without having them as a friend, and the same with this person as well. Now, what you want to do is simply message them and be like, "Hey, I saw you join the giveaway group earlier. I found a giveaway myself for a PayPal gift card. I've just entered it and I'm sharing the love and showing it to other people. If you want to join, I will leave a link right here. That way you're not pressing them to join. You can come across as a human being and not a robot, and you can build rapport with them. If you have a back and forth conversation, they're more likely to join the giveaway and make you money. You can do that and manually reach out to all of these people. If you see, for example, somebody who lives in France or somebody who lives in Turkey, you can go back to CPAGRIP and find offers specifically targeted to their country and link them to the offer for their country, if you get what I mean. So this method is an automatic, but it's 100% free. You don't need a website. It can get you some leads today. The platform offers various payment options, including PayPal, wire transfer, and check, providing flexibility for affiliates to choose their preferred payment method. CPAGRIP provides real-time tracking and reporting tools, allowing affiliates to monitor their campaign performance, track conversions, and optimize their strategies for better results. It offers responsive customer support to assist affiliates with any issues or questions they may have, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. Unlike some affiliate programs, CPAGRIP does not require affiliates to have their website, making it accessible to beginners or affiliates who prefer alternative marketing methods. CPAGRIP regularly updates its platform with innovative tools and resources to help affiliates optimize their campaigns and maximize their earnings. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.